welcome back to my channel. This is me Pooja, and today I will speak about any random topic because I have not any topic to talk about. So let's begin. Many beginner thinks that they can't even speak one sentence in English. They can speak, but they don't practice English every day. Because of that, they can't frame English sentence in easier way. They take English as a difficult language, and that is why they may be afraid of speaking English. If I talk about myself, then when I started my journey, I was in the same condition, but I took English as a skill, and now I can speak better English and I can understand English, but still I am improving myself because of I know that English communication is very helpful in our life. If you have any skill, then you will have to speak English because if you have don't any communication skill and if you have not any confident how to speak English in front of people, then it will not going to help you in your future. Your skill not going to help you. Your skill going to be zero on that position if you don't learn any skill. Just think about English. English is not a subject, it is a skill, and this skill you will have to learn anyhow, because in this generation without English you can't get anything. Every social media you can see, every platform, every job opportunities, you will have to speak English. Without English you can't get any job. I don't know why beginner think that they can't speak English. They can speak, but they don't take any time to speaking. I know that they have a work, they have not any time to speaking in English, but with their family members, with their friends, with their relatives, they can also speak in English. Even they don't know about what is a English communication skill. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. It helped me to make another new videos.